If you have been wondering if you can play Roblox on your Nintendo Switch, here's the full truth. No clickbait, just straight facts. Now, as for the official status, as of now, Roblox has not officially announced that it is available in Nintendo Switch. There is no Roblox app in the eShop, which is the shop for Nintendo games, and Roblox Corporation has not confirmed any Switch launch. Now, there are some rumors about unofficial workarounds, like some guides suggest that using DNS hacks or accessing Roblox via the Switch's hidden browser, but these methods are highly unreliable and may not even load games properly, and they also risk violating Nintendo's terms, and performance tend to be poor. So, all in all, it's not really worth it. And the best alternatives for this one would be to just play on Xbox, PC, iOS, or Android if you really want to play on Roblox. And if you don't want to play on handheld, then your only choice would be your iOS or Android. You can't play it on Switch. Or you could just pick a Switch friendly alternative like Minecraft, Trove, or Dragon Quest Builders, which is available on Nintendo eShop. And yeah, basically, all in all, no, you can't download Roblox officially on your Switch. And yeah, you should not force it because it will just be unreliable and you'll risk violating the rules in Nintendo. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.